Okay, we're continuing with logarithmic equations, and we're going to do this as the last example here. I've made a video for each of these. This time what we're going to have is a log on one side and a log on the other side. So you want to first rewrite it so you just have a log on each side. And then what you're going to do is set m equal to n and then solve. So let's do an example of that. So again, you should have a log on each side of the equation for this one. Compared to this one, you have a log equal to a constant. Okay, so here's our example. This is one of the homework problems, number 12. I have logs on both sides. Okay, so again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have just a log on the left side and a log on the right-hand side. So I'm going to condense the log on the left-hand side using the product rule. Okay, now once that's true, okay. So now that I have a natural log on each side, I'm going to set this equal to this. So in other words, I'm just going to remove the logarithm signs, the natural log signs. And now I'm going to go ahead and solve this. So I multiply out the left side. I'm going to use FOIL. And then combine like terms. My dog is chewing a bone in the back there, so I apologize for that. And now I bring the x's to the left side, and then the 8 over to the left side as well. And then go ahead and factor this. Set that equals 0, and I get 2 as my solution. Okay, now again, you always want to make sure that the solution works in the domain, so you have to look at each log and make sure it's satisfied. So this is the original equation. This must be positive, this must be positive, and this must be positive. So it has to be greater than 4, it has to be greater than -1, and it has to be greater than 2. So because of these two, this one does not work. So in this case, for this particular one, after all that work, it's a no solution. Okay, so again, that summarizes all the different examples that we covered. There's one from for each videotape here.